and today we are at Southend Airport and we are looking at this massive Vulcan Bomber aeroplane. Remember to like, subscribe and share to my channel. So we're now at the first aeroplane that you will see in the entrance. It's very big and it has this nose like a swordfish.
What do you think that's for then?
That might be the bullets that shoot to knock enemy
Maybe.
aeroplanes.
We can find that out.
Yes.
So what do you think about it?
Well, it's definitely taller than the tallest man in the world. It's just so amazing.
Good.
So we've come here to learn more about the aeroplanes that have bombed in the past. Looks like this was built in the 1900s. So we'll have to find out.
Good.
It's got big wings. Wheels are small, but still. And there are some bombs in the corner there. They look tiny, but Daddy said they can cause a lot of damage. So we're going to find out more about this aeroplane. These flags are the Army's flag, the Royal Air Force's flag, and the other flag is the Union Jack.
Well done.
So I found something that I don't really know. It's this SQNLDR Bill Burnett Team Lead. Oh, I think it's all of the people that, like the team leader, pilot, AEO navigator, AEO, AN, ADJ, and English off something.
So, top 3, squadron leader. Then flight lieutenant, and then warrant officer. Look at the size of these tyres. Would you expect a plane this big? Look how big the plane is.
The plane, yes.
Would you expect the tyres to be bigger or smaller than that? They're about right.
Bigger.
At the end of your visit today, what questions do you want to ask and what answers do you want to find out?
Well, if I don't find out how old the airplane is.
How many people it took to make the plane?
Yeah. These people say that these bombs won't do any harm, but just because they're small doesn't mean that they're not powerful.
True.
So we're having a look at this. I don't know what it's called, so maybe we can ask one of the staff.
Is that right in there to you?
It looks like an engine.
Yeah. So what? Look round here.
Oh, I think this might be the control stations thing.
Just sort of partly there. Have a look round here.
Oh.
So you learned something new, and so this is basically like a giant starter motor that helps start the engine.
And also there are some words that I don't even know, like ignitar and Olympus, and yeah, so it's exploring words too.
Exactly. Now, what do you think about
Look, aeroplane!
that? Yeah.
Wow, see with my binoculars, it looks so close. I don't know how they got it past these buildings, unless they brought it here first, or then they flew it. There's this, I think it's an engine. Is there any piece of paper on here? No, there isn't any.
If you have a look at these, I'll give you a clue. These are tanks. They store something.
Oil!
Have a look on the label. What does it say?
It says nitrogen.
Nitrogen.
No, is it bombs?
No, nitrogen is a type of gas. So this will be probably something to do with the aeroplane.
Is this poisonous gas?
You probably wouldn't want to breathe it in.
No.
Ah, I think you'll know what these are.
Yeah, I think these are fire extinguishers.
Very good.
I keep on forgetting the way to say extinguishers. I keep
Oh,
on
you
saying
said that right.
Extinguishers. And now I'm going to talk to one of the members some questions about all of these and the aeroplane. And also, me and Daddy were asking a question: why the wheels have to be so small?
Well, they don't have to be so small, but we obviously like to keep them as small as possible because they need to fold away. When the plane's up in the air, they fold back inside. Otherwise, if you've got a wheel dangling down, the wind blows against it and slows you down. So the smaller the wheel and it can stand the weight of the plane, the better. It is quite interesting how the wheels carry all that amount of weight.
Yeah.
Right.
Did you wonder what I do on this plane?
Oh yes, I thought to ask.
Now, if I show you this, will that give you a clue?
If anybody has an accident of any sort, if you're
What do you think that stands for?
Electricity.
Very good.
Must be
So
very dangerous.
I help to look after the electrics and the communications.
Must be very dangerous.
It's not dangerous, it can be, because there are some high voltages, but if you work safely and you don't touch anything that's live, this plane has got a lot of electrics. A hell of a lot of electrics. It's very, very complicated. If you look up in the bomb bay, you'll see loads of boxes. That's all the electrics.
How old is the plane?
I think she's about 58. It's her birthday today, actually.
Wow.
She first flew back in, I think it was 62. So she's nearly 60 years old. Nearly as old as me.
That makes you feel more comfortable.
So how do you know how they got the
Safety
aeroplane?
points, first of all. Please
She was flown in
smoking at all.
way back in the 60s. She was flown here because somebody bought her,
Cigarette or
and what he
even
wanted to
cigarette.
do was to spend a lot of money and get her back in the air. But unfortunately, he was unable to raise the money, so the previous people of us who had bought something else, they actually took it over, and then they changed to the Vulcan Restoration Trust.
Wow.
Wow, so thank you for answering all my questions.
This is where they keep the bombs up here.
Yes. Do not adjust, spring, strut, something here.
So here, does this say down here what the bomb is?
The bomb is Vulcan nuclear strike profile. Wow. Look at that.
So this bomb is quite a lot bigger than these two, isn't it? If you stand next to it and see, you give an idea of how big it is. Look. So how many bombs do you think they could fit up here?
It depends how small they are. If they're big, it's probably about 50, and if they're small, it's probably about 100.
That's a good guess.